Human body has so many different parts. Each part of the body does different type of work. Similarly, the computer also has many different parts and each part of it does a different work. All the parts of computer are connected and have to be put together to make it work. No single part can work on its own. The monitor. A monitor is an output device. It's look like a T. vScreen.it is also known as screen and VDC, visual display unit. There is an on/off switch on the monitor. It is connected to CPU. It displays the words typed with the keyboard on the screen. It displays the result, and we can also see cartoons, pictures, etc. The keyboard. It is an input device. It is connected to CPU. It has many small buttons on it called keys. The standard keyboard has 104 keys on it. These keys are used to type letters, numbers and symbols. By pressing the keys, the keyboard sends data to the CPU. If you want to type any letter or number, just press the specific key and it will appear on the screen. The mouse. It is an input device. It is kept on a pad. A computer mouse has 2 or 3 buttons on it. The mouse is connected to the CPU by a wire. The wire looks like a tail. It is used to point and select any item on the screen. It also helps us to draw pictures and play games.
The CPU. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. It is the brain of computer. It helps a computer to do all types of operations. It controls all the functions of a computer. The CPU is a very complex electronic device. Along with other components. It is housed in a rectangular box called cabinet. The CPU cabinet contains on-off button, disk drive, power slot, and many connectors and devices. The important components inside the CPU cabinet are explained below. Motherboard, main board, CPU processor, RAM, hard disk, DVD writer, SMPS. The motherboard main board. Its main board has many slots. It is the place where all the parts are assembled. The RAM. RAM stands for Random Access Memory. The RAM stores all temporary data of the computer. When the computer is switched off, the data in the RAM is lost. The hard disk. It is a storage device. It stores all the data of the user. The DVD writer. It is used to read and write data on CDs and DVDs. The SMPS. The SMPS provides uniform power supply to all the parts of the computer.